Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to deposit money in Bybit. For that you need to launch your Bybit mobile application, and here you need to tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now you have two options of depositing the money in Bybit, but before that you need to press the deposit option, and here as you can see that we can deposit money with the help of the fiat currency. We can directly purchase USDT, or we can use the P2P trading option, or you can even deposit your crypto with the help of any other external exchange as well. So here let's say you have selected the first option of buying the USDT directly on Bybit. So after selecting this option, you just have to enter the amount of USD that you want to purchase. If you want to change the country or the currency, then you can even tap on the drop down button, and from this list you just have to change your currency. So for this video I'm gonna keep it USD. Here you need to tap on the next button, and after that on the next page you just have to select your payment method and make the payment in order to deposit the money in your Bybit account. Now in the second method, if you tap on the P2P trading option, you will be landed on this page where you can select the merchant and from whom you can purchase your money or your crypto. Now the third option that we have is deposit crypto. So if you tap on it, and here if you tap on USDT, it will ask you to select the network. So you can select any of the networks that you want. Let's say I have selected ERC20, so it will show you a QR code as well as the deposit address. So you can use these details in order to deposit money into your Bybit account from any other exchanges that you have. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video, comments and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related content. Thank you so much for watching.